This is Bernie. Bacteria like Bernie love leftovers. He will find his way into your leftover lunch unless you look after it properly. Leftovers can be kept in the fridge for 3 to 5 days, or you can freeze them straight away. When freezing your leftovers, make sure they're labelled. That way you'll know what they are and whether they're still safe to eat. Food can be frozen for up to 3 months. Bernie hates the heat, so when reheating food, even big dishes for parties, make sure it's hot all the way through. It should be hotter than 75 degrees Celsius. If you're taking food to a party or gathering, don't invite Bernie. He'll ruin things for everyone. Make sure you transport food safely, keeping your hot and cold dishes separate. If food is at room temperature for longer than 4 hours, don't eat it. You can guarantee Bernie will be lurking. And remember, avoid preparing food if you're not feeling well. If you're sick, you might be carrying bacteria or viruses that can make food unsafe. You can avoid food poisoning. Shop, store, cook and eat safely.
Authorised by the Victorian Department of Health, 50 Lonsdale Street, Melbourne, spoken by Rosalind Oates.